Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hi, welcome back to my channel. First of all, Ramadan Mubarak to everybody. I hope that you have a blessed and amazing month, inshallah. And I pray that all the sufferings of the people can come to an end. I hope we get closer to God, and I hope that our iman grows. I hope that we become our best versions this Ramadan, inshallah. So today I wanted to share 3 things that you can do to come closer to God this Ramadan. And these are all the things that I did, which has helped me a lot in the past few years. So yeah, I just wanted to come and share them with you. The first thing that I did was start praying my 5 daily prayers on time, and it's extremely important. It is the first thing that we will be asked about on the day of judgment. And Ramadan is the best time to just establish your daily prayers. So even if you don't feel like praying, even if you think that your prayer is imperfect, you should still pray and work on making it as perfect as you can. Inshallah, you will be able to pray willingly without having any difficulties. The second thing that I did was I started doing the hijab, and now alhamdulillah I've also started doing the niqab. And especially if you're female watching this, working on your modesty actually empowers you so much. And trust me, Ramadan is the best time to practice hijab. Even if you're doing it for just this month, even if you are doing it for this 1 month alone, if you pray to God that He helps you keep the hijab on even after Ramadan, and inshallah He will make it easy for you. Even when you are not in a high state of iman, just wearing the hijab or dressing more modestly makes you realize that you still belong to Islam and that you have the scope of improvement. The last and the most important thing is that you should stop listening to music. I stopped listening to music a couple of years ago. Alhamdulillah, it has been great since then, because I think music just keeps you away from God. And I know most of us in Ramadan we stop listening to music, but after Eid we are back at it again and we start listening to music. Especially music nowadays is not good. Especially the things that they're saying in those music videos has a negative impact on your brain. And I believe it's a way of shaitan to keep you away from God. Because ever since I stopped listening to music, it has become so much easier to practice deen. Like, it has never been this easier, to be very honest. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope this video helps. If you want me to continue this series, let me know what else you want me to talk about, because I'm thinking of starting a Ramadan series. So yeah, I hope you have an amazing month, and I hope we can live on to see another Ramadan, inshallah. So yeah, assalamu alaikum.